हेलो। इससे पहले के वीडियो में हमने कन्वर्जेंट एंड डाइवर्जेंट ऑफ सीरीज को nth पार्शियल सम के हेल्प से डिस्कस किया है। अगर आपने अभी तक उस वीडियो को नहीं देखा है तब पहले आप उस वीडियो को देख लें, फिर इसे देखें। इस वीडियो में हम कंपैरिजन टेस्ट के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। कंपैरिजन टेस्ट, जैसा कि नाम से ही स्पष्ट है, कंपेयर करना है। हमें दो सीरीज को कंपेयर करके नेचर जानना। इस टेस्ट में हम लोग अननोन सीरीज का नेचर एक नोन सीरीज से कंपेयर करके जानते हैं। Suppose un and vn are two series of positive terms such that un is less than equal to vn for each n. Series un, here un is less than equal to vn for every n. This implies that here we'll apply summation un is also less than equal to vn. If this series is convergent, means this sum is finite, then this is less than this series, so this is also finite, means convergence of vn implies convergence of un. If this series is divergent, means this sum is infinity, then it is bigger than this series, so it is also divergent. अगर हम इसे स्मॉल सीरीज बोले, स्मॉल, और इसे बिग सीरीज बोले, तो हम कह सकते हैं अगर हमारा बिग सीरीज कन्वर्जेंट है तो स्मॉल सीरीज कन्वर्जेंट होगी। अगर हमारा स्मॉल सीरीज डाइवर्जेंट है तो बिग सीरीज डाइवर्जेंट होगी। इसके लिए बस यही क्राइटेरिया है, सीरीज ऑफ पॉजिटिव टर्म होने चाहिए। हम इसे एक एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू समझते हैं। Test the convergence of the series this. Here un is equal to, हमारे पास है un equal to n q square plus 3, 1 upon n square plus 3. We know that n cube plus 3 always greater than n square है, n square plus 3 always greater than n square for every n. This implies that 1 upon n square plus 3 always less than 1 upon n square for every n. So apply summation on both sides. 1 upon n square plus 3 is less than equal to summation n square, n varies from 1 to infinity, Here since this series is convergent, we know that series 1 upon n power p, n varies from 1 to infinity, is convergent if p is greater than 1, divergent if p is less than equal to So here p equal to 2, it is greater than 1, so this series is convergent. And by comparison test, it is bigger series, so bigger series, if bigger series is convergent, then smaller series is also convergent. By comparison test, this is also convergent. By comparison test, this is convergent. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं. हियर सीरीज हमारा डिफाइन है 1 upon log n, n वेरीज फ्रॉम 2 to infinity. हियर un बराबर, हियर un is equal to 1 upon log n. We know that you know that n is always greater than log n for every n. This implies that 1 upon n is less than 1 upon log n. Apply summation 1 by n varies from 1 to infinity is less than equal to summation 1 by log n varies from 1 to infinity. Here we know the nature of this series. This series is of the form 1 upon n power p. This series is of the form 1 upon n power p. Here p equal to, in our case, p equal to 1. So this series is divergent. It is divergent if p is less than equal to 1. So this series is divergent. Small series is divergent. Here small series is divergent, so bigger series is also divergent. By comparison test, summation 1 by log n is divergent. अब हम लोग देखेंगे लिमिट कंपैरिजन टेस्ट. कंपैरिजन टेस्ट का ही एक पार्ट है, एक प्रैक्टिकल पार्ट है. इसमें हम क्या करते हैं, हमारे पास जो un vn दो सीरीज हैं उनके nth टर्म का लिमिट n टेंडिंग टू इन्फिनिटी पर फाइंड आउट करते हैं. un अपन vn का n टेंडिंग टू इन्फिनिटी पर लिमिट फाइंड आउट करते हैं. सपोज हमारी लिमिट l आई. अगर l हमारी नॉन जीरो फाइनाइट वैल्यू है तो un और vn बोथ का सीरीज का नेचर सेम होता है. फिर से देखें क्या लिखा हुआ है. सपोज un एंड vn आर टू सीरीज ऑफ पॉजिटिव टर्म एंड लिमिट n गोज टू इन्फिनिटी un अपॉन vn इज इक्वल टू l. L के साथ कंडीशन है L इज नॉन जीरो फाइनाइट वैल्यू होनी चाहिए. देन बोथ सीरीज un एंड vn कन्वर्जेस और डाइवर्जेस टुगेदर. अब हमारे पास एक अननोन सीरीज है un, ये अननोन है. एक हमारे पास ये नोन सीरीज होती है vn. तो un अपॉन vn फाइंड आउट करते हैं n टेंडिंग टू इन्फिनिटी पे. अगर हमारी वैल्यू नॉन जीरो फाइनाइट आती है तो बोथ सीरीज का नेचर सेम होता है। तो हम Vn का नेचर जानते हैं, उसकी हेल्प से Un का नेचर बता सकते हैं। अब हमारे पास प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हम Vn को चूज कैसे करें। Vn जो हमारे पास नोन सीरीज है, इसको फाइंड आउट कैसे करें। इसको फाइंड आउट करने का एक तरीका है, एक स्पेसिफिक तरीका है कि अगर Vn हमारा फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म में है तो हाईएस्ट एक्सपोनेंट ऑफ न्यूमरेटर और हाईएस्ट एक्सपोनेंट ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर हम लिख लें तो वही हमारा Vn होता है। अगर हमारा Vn अब अगर हमारा Un सिंपल एक्सप्रेशन है तो हम हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ n कॉमन ले लें, जो कॉमन हो वही हमारा Vn कहलाता है। और लिमिट कंपैरिजन टेस्ट या कंपैरिजन टेस्ट हम तभी लगा सकते हैं, तब उसी प्रॉब्लम में लगाते हैं जहां हम n के पावर समथिंग कॉमन ले सकें, अदरवाइज हम नहीं लगाते हैं। इसे हम एक एग्जांपल की हेल्प से समझ। हियर un is equal to under root n upon under root n square plus 1. Highest exponent of n in numerator is equal to n power half. Highest exponent of n in denominator is n. अंडर रूट के अंदर n स्क्वायर है, बाहर आएगा n हो जाएगा। सो वी चूज Vn is equal to this. This can also be written as 1 upon n 1 minus 1 half is equal to 1 by n के पावर हाफ। लिमिट n टेंडिंग टू इंफिनिटी un by Vn is equal to limit n टेंडिंग टू इंफिनिटी un अंडर रूट n अपॉन अंडर रूट n स्क्वायर प्लस 1 इंटू upon Vn means root n upon 1. This can be written as limit n tending to infinity n upon, here take common, n 1 plus 1 by n square whole power half. n cancel out. Limit n tending to infinity 1 by n 1 by 1 plus 1 upon n square whole power half is equal to 1. It is non-zero finite value, non-zero finite value. Therefore by limit comparison test, both series un and Vn are either convergent or divergent. Since summation Vn is equal to summation 1 upon n power half is divergent is divergent. Therefore series un is also divergent. Therefore series un is also divergent. Here un is equal to summation un is equal to under root n cube plus 1 minus n cube. First write un in fractional form. This can also be written as under root n cube plus 1 plus under root n cube plus 1 minus n cube. It is equal to 1 upon under root n cube plus 1 plus n cube. This can also be written as 1 upon n power 3 by 2. Here 1 plus 1 by n cube whole power half plus 1. So we choose Vn is equal to highest exponent in numerator n power 0 means 1, highest exponent in denominator n cube power half means n power 3 by 2. Find the limit n tending to infinity un by Vn is equal to this upon Vn, this 1 upon n power 3 by 2 1 plus 1 by n cube whole power half plus 1. It is un power 3 by 2 upon 1. N power 3 by 2 3 by 2 cancel out. Put n tending to infinity, then it is this term equal to 0 and 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 1 upon 2. This is equal to 1 upon 2, which is non-zero finite value. Therefore by limit comparison test, both series un and vn have same nature, means both converges or diverges together. Since summation vn is equal to summation 1 by n power 3 by 2, this is greater than 1, 3 by 2, it is greater than 1, so it is convergent. Since this is convergent, therefore summation un is also convergent. कुछ ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन देखते हैं बेस्ड ऑन अबव डिस्कशन. Series this is convergent, divergent, oscillately, none of these. Here un is equal to sine 1 by n. This can be written as expand sine function 1 by n minus 1 by n cube by factorial 3 plus dot dot so on. It is equal to 1 by n, take common, 1 minus 1 by n square into factorial 3 plus dot dot so on. Here un is simple expression and 1 by n is common in all the term, so we choose Vn is equal to 1 by n and find limit un upon Vn. N goes to infinity equal to limit n tending to infinity un by Vn. Un is equal to this 1 by n 1 minus 1 by n square into 1 by factorial 3 plus dot dot upon 1 by n. 1 by n cancel out, put n equal to infinity, it is 0 and other term is also 0 except first term, it is equal to 1. Non-zero finite value, non-zero finite value. Since Vn is divergent, this series 1 upon n power p is convergent if p is greater than 1 and divergent if p is less than equal to 1. Here p is equal to 1, so series 1 upon n is divergent. By limit comparison test, un and Vn have same nature, so series un is also divergent. So this series is divergent. Option B is correct. Second question. Series n varies from 1 to infinity 1 upon n power p is divergent. It is direct result 1 upon n power p is divergent if and only if p is less than equal to 1 and convergent if p is greater than 1. So it is p is less than 1. Here less than 1 is available in the vikalp, so this is correct option. P is less than 1. It is divergent if p is less than equal to 1 and divergent and convergent if p is greater than 1. Convergent. Third question is also similar as one question which is discussed in earlier, so we leave it for you as exercise.